Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts and I will go a little bit more in depth and explain to you why I am short term a little bit bearish about Bitcoin. So, taking a look, I've been calling it for the past few days already on Twitter. I am kind of a little bit bearish, but it's not bad long term. I'm mega bullish on Bitcoin, and I will explain to you guys why and how I look at things. Over here we see like an overview of what I look at. Like most of the time of the day, we see the S&P 500 having a little dip over here. We see the dollar having a little bounce over here. Even gold did something the last hour. This is a weekly chart of the Dixie, the dollar, and you can see, like we're going for this trend line, it seems. Oh, sorry, this horizontal. This is the bottom we had like end of 2017 for the dollar, and that was when Bitcoin like had its previous all-time highs at $20,000. Then we have this trend line, we broke through it. We have this trend line, broke through it, and we broke this one. That's when S&P started mooning. This one S&P started mooning even more. And right now, I think they will come back, just like they did over here. They will come back for a bearish retest of this trend line. I'm expecting a bearish retest of this trend line as well. Taking a look at the S&P 500 on the daily chart. And we are in like some sort of a rising wedge while we make all-time highs. I think this will eventually come down for another retest. Long term, very bullish. We will, like long term, like everything will go up due to inflation, That's just how, I don't know, everything works. So yeah, I think for now, like the S&P 500 might see a little bit of a correction as well. I was expecting it sooner, but right now we saw the first dip really. Bitcoin has a CME gap, a huge one, a really big one, not the biggest in history, but percentage wise, but right now it's a very big one. So yeah, a lot of bears are wanting this to trade to the downside. They want to short it. Here Bitcoin, we see the fundings. Fundings are still quite high. Premiums are also quite high. And over here, when they go flat, you buy. When they go flat, you buy. When they go flat, you buy. That's as simple as that. So yeah, those are a couple of bearish reasons for me. What would need to happen for Bitcoin to move up? Well, if everybody starts shorting it now, we will go up. Like that's as simple as that. We will bounce hard. That is what I truly believe. Right now, we see some trend lines. We can see this one, big support. Also, we kind of had a double bottom over here, depending on what exchange. I think one or the other wicked a little bit lower, but in general, I could say they're close enough together to call it a double bottom. And right now we have some trend lines. We could see them all break one after the other. Really funny, or funny, but I really trade them. And right now we have this, broke it up, trade to the upside, break, trade to the upside. That is basically how you trade it. I'm just expecting, let's be honest, we went up really, really quick, guys. I'm just expecting some retests, and it's only bullish for Bitcoin. Something cannot go up too fast. That's just bad. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting. Go back in here, take out all the late longers, because that just has to happen. So yeah, this is what I would be targeting, if I was, I don't know, too long or too like dips. I am ready to buy, I'm ready to close my short. Also, if we make new highs, I will of course close my short. Close my short for me would be this level over here. And right now the levels to break to the downside. By the way, guys, I'm not like with my whole net worth short or something, you know. I'm not selling my house to go short or something, you know. It's just a little short, and I don't trade with everything I have. It's just a little short, just a little trade. So I know my viewers, most of them don't like me shorting, but I mean, long term, I'm bullish, very bullish, guys. Don't worry. And if we draw amongst the closes, we see something like this. If this one works out, can break to the upside, because this would be like a bullish pattern. Sorry, guys, this would be a bullish pattern. This like kind of a wedge, you know, a bull wedge, you would call it. I don't really know the percentage of it breaking up, but yeah, it is a bullish wedge if that one works out. Take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, high time frame, looking very strong over here. Broke out of this rising wedge, and breaking up out of a rising wedge is very bullish and needs a lot of strength, and we got it. Right now target is easily $800. Today we're doing a retest, it seems, on our rising wedge trend line. Still very bullish, still very good. Taking a look at Ethereum, BTC, still against this resistance line over here. They need to break it. This trend line over here, that is what I want to see. Next up, of course, is this trend line, this top over here. That is what they need to break. So this trend line over here, this horizontal, and then the purple trend line. That is what you want to see for Ethereum. Easy other targets would be this high, and after that, of course, the yearly high. That all happened in the DeFi bubble. Funding ratios, let's refresh it. I mean, still too high. We want to see negative. We really want to see negative. XRP, you know, all negative, but we all know XRP is a scam. Just gonna say it like that, you know. If you're holding any XRP, sorry man, you made the wrong decision. XRP is a big scam. Yeah, nothing too interesting. Yeah, I mean, over here, you know, it's fun. I like Bitcoin Wisdom a lot. Right now, you know, this is kind of the level to hold for Bitcoin. Going below that, we will see quite some downside. And yeah, make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. And if you trade with some leverage, make sure you use one of these sign-up links. You get some extra discounts using those, and trading fees eat your profits. So make sure to use one of these. Also, if you use one of these sign-up links, they're in the video description as well. You can always send me a question, always respond to me, you know. You can always do that, of course, as well. I will respond to every comment, every message. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. See you guys again tomorrow.